Hey, what's up, campers? Kyle checking in here, and I was doing some stuff for a nightclub I'm doing some work for, and I was trying to figure out for the past couple days, it was freaking me out, how to get a bot utilizing ChatFuel, something that we learned about from Ryan Skelly a couple weeks ago, or a week or two ago in the gene pool, and then get that information zapped over into um, I'm using just a Google Sheet to store the contacts. So this is pretty cool. I'm going to go through really quick so that way you can kind of utilize this for your own clients or whatever you need to do. So first off, you need to go to ChatFuel and create your bot. Mine's a little disorganized here because I was going through a bunch of crap. Anyway, so this is my test bot. And then what I did for my test bot is the contest is we're doing a giveaway. So giving away a table, and they can enter for a nightclub, and then they can enter to win. So the automation of the system, you can say, hey, first name, so it'll pull their name from Facebook and it says, hey, me. As you can see here, it says, hey, Kyle. I did not enter my own name. You're just a few steps away from being entered to win. And then we have this user input box, and you get that down from here, from the plugin. So you go user input, and you can input whatever you want to say. So here, for example, it'll ask you what their full name is, what the phone number is, and then you can have it select that you're actually looking for a phone number. And then you're dictating here what the attribute is going to be coined under. And then email, I want that to be email. And then it's kind of funny too because you can have like default phrases. So if you identify that it is an email and they don't like make it look in an email format, you can have it send it a message like, that doesn't quite look like an email, are you sure? Anyways, so what that looks like in the messenger is it says, hey me, here's a few steps we're waiting for to win. What's my name? That's my name, phone number, email, email in the email format. And then through the Zapier integrations, you have to select your JSON here. So get a JSON set up, then go over to Zapier. And from here, you're going to create your Zap. So the initial Zap you're going to use is a webhook, and you're going to use a catch hook. Just click continue, and continue again. From here, from the catch hook, I already have a catch hook, but what you're going to do is you're going to get that URL from your JSON plug here. So it's going to be, no, you're going to copy this URL here, and you're going to put it right in the JSON hook, and you want it under get attribute. So click that here, and then you're going to put your same attributes that you put up here for the user input of what you want it to identify. So we got that set up. I'll just copy it to clipboard. Set that there. Back to Zapier. Okay, I did this. Now, in order for you to get, for it to run and actually get the webhook, you have to go through and actually test the chatbot, get some user input, so it can register that it's actually doing what it needs to do. So click try your bot. It says, hey, what's your full name? I go, my full name, that's my phone number, some random stuff, and my email, Kyle@com. Thank you for entering. Boom. And then I even have, well, I'll show you that later. So then we go back to Zapier. Boom, test successful. So it was able to capture that information. And now I want to send that info to a Google Sheet. And with that Google Sheet, I want it to create a new row. So we'll save and continue. I already have a Google Sheet added to this. If you need to add a new account, you can do that. And then I'll walk you through the steps for that. And now you have to select the specific spreadsheet that you want it to go to. So for me, I'm going to do the contacts. It's going to go to sheet 1. And then for the full name, I want the query of the full name. So it's going to put the full name there. Click for the phone number, email, and continue. So yeah, that's what it's going to look like on the sheet. We'll create and continue. Test successful. We'll finish. Name our Zap, say contest Zap. We'll turn the Zap on. Boom. And we are done. So that is our Zap, and there is my contact info that I just entered in here. This is a way that you can utilize ChatFuel and Zapier to collect contact data directly in the Messenger app no landing page, no canvas, no nothing needed, nothing fancy. Right here in the messenger to be able to collect name, email, phone number. Super simple. I mean, can you imagine some businesses that might want to collect name, email, phone number? And on top of it, what this will allow you to do is because they've now interacted with your page through Messenger, you can send them a Messenger ad or a sponsored message. Check that shit out. Anyways, Kyle out. Hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Ciao.